Don't let social media fool you. Here, I was having the worst body image day. I felt fat. Here, I actually looked like this 1 second before. Here, I was listing all the things I hated about my body. This body is also this body, and this body. Here, I felt guilty for eating. This person is also this person most days. Scroll with caution. Social media isn't real. Today's video is sponsored by Purple Carrot. At the beginning of every week, I've been setting some weekly goals. Not like I'm going to the gym and drinking green juice every day type of goals. My goals this week were to get into the holiday spirit, you know, pumpkin, apple, cinnamon vibes. Buy myself that ice cream I've been craving. Make some time to read and cook dinner with mother's son because it makes you happy. And to not be afraid to show up as who I really am. And real me is a little overwhelmed sometimes. She's just trying her best, you know, to balance school and work and her emotions, family, friends, self-care. You get it. Life is a lot. No wasting. And I just wanted to let you know that you are doing a great job. I try to make it easier on myself by saving time wherever I can, and that is why I've always been a super proud user of meal kit services. It's a little bit embarrassing, like scrolling through the new recipes every week is one of the most exciting parts of my week. Right now, I've been obsessed with this vegan meal kit service called Purple Carrot. 100% plant-based meals like this sticky orange tofu. We just follow the step-by-step instructions. Every recipe only takes a few minutes, and all the ingredients are literally measured and delivered right to us. It is my favorite way to try out new meals because they come out with new recipes every single week, and it's also good for the planet, and I don't know how they do it, but every single recipe tastes so delicious. It's a win-win-win all around.
好吃 slay 你豆腐太好吃了 10 out of 10 This actually was way too easy. I could eat this all day.
You guys need to try it out. You can use my code Linda23 to get $80 off your first 4 boxes. Thank you Purple Carrot for sponsoring that part of the video. Now back to my regular content. I know I show you guys a lot of right out of bed, crazy sweatiness, real raw emotional versions of me. I chat about some pretty personal and vulnerable topics, but even then, I choose which ugly workout faces I keep in. It's me, but I've also cropped, colored, cut, and edited out 95% of myself. It's me speaking, but they're words that took me hours and hours, sometimes days, to script, and then they're revised, re-scripted, rephrased. It's kind of weird. Online, even authenticity is inauthentic sometimes. Guys, like even my mental breakdowns are edited. All these moments you see are edited to create a more exciting version of me. You think this is me, but it's actually a mushroom. It tastes so good. That's what I've always tried to be. More relatable, more animated, more positive, more beautiful, more perfect, more acceptable, because I've learned from a very young age being more of those things would make people like me more. For a long time, I wanted to look like I was living a certain way. I wasn't all that interested in the actual living part. I cared about looking confident. I didn't even know what self-love meant. That's beautiful. Is it good? How moist that is. So squishy. I wanted to erase all the things I didn't like about my body because embracing them would just be way too hard. So while you're scrolling, just remember, you really don't get to see the behind the scenes. It's pretty easy to hide. Just don't post. Just say you're happy. Just smile when the camera's on and feel all your other feelings when the camera's off. Say you ate this when you really ate that. Say everyone should love their bodies when you really don't even know what that means yourself. It's easy to take 300 pictures and pick the most perfect one. And because it's so easy to lie, it's equally as easy to believe the lie. Our entire concept of beauty is based on this lie. The best moments, the best angles, the best lighting, the best versions of everyone. It's all we're surrounded by all the time. And then it starts becoming what we think everyone looks like all the time. There is an endless amount of ideal body types. And isn't it weird that none of them are our own? And most of them aren't even real bodies. Oh. Wow! Oh my god.
Wow!
Are you gonna comment on how beautiful it looks?
It's so beautiful.
Actually good.
Yeah.
不想说话了
Cheesecake for breakfast. Oh wow, it is really good. Did you guys eat any eggshell? Happy Thanksgiving, everyone! Lobster tails are the special today. Wow, we're having a feast today. I want an honest reaction.
So good.
好啊
Lobster master, that is the conclusion. Real bodies, yes, can be posed and tanned and flexed, but they are also soft and wobbly and sweaty and smelly and look different in different lightings and different mirrors on different days. Oh my god.
Oh my god, garlic bread.
Real bodies aren't meant to just be something to look at. They aren't what makes us exciting or beautiful or worthy. If you really want to see real bodies, look around you, not into your phone. My body isn't supposed to resemble the pictures of girls at parties or flexing at the gym or models or perfect moments chosen from 1,000 imperfect ones. So we gotta stop being so hard on our bodies for just being normal bodies.
A new obsession, vanilla yogurt, granola, and chocolate chips.
Anyways, we're gonna take a short pastry eating intermission.
The Paris breast coffee. 这是 cheesecake. And pain au chocolat. This chocolate thing. Croissant.
Life is short, pastries are delicious, Linda's indecisive, so sometimes you just gotta buy them all.
Oh,
Holy shit, that's so good. Should we try that?
Paris breast.
Wait, oh god, I almost smushed it. Oh my god, so good.
Tastes like a Ferrero Rocher.
Yeah. It's like a mousse, a moussey, elite tiramisu energy. Okay, I think we should all try the butter croissant.
Awesome.
Oh my god, oh my god. So good. It's like the Costco one, but like 3,000 times better.
It's normal for our bodies to not look like the bodies on social media. It's normal to eat more or eat out more some weeks. It's normal to bloat. Our stomachs are meant to be full of our favorite foods, old Halloween candy, Christmas chocolates. It doesn't exist to be as flat as humanly possible. I'm scrolling, I see someone's breakfast, last night's party, someone laughing with their friends at the beach, a cute date with my love, heart emoji, kissy emoji, you know, harmless updates. Even myself, for example, will you see me eating peanut butter and smiling and saying positive affirmations on my story, and you think that's just me, the happy, smiling, emotionally stable peanut butter girl who eats all this food all the time. So in a couple swipes, not only is my body not good enough, but my oatmeal isn't pretty enough, my Friday nights aren't social enough, my wardrobe isn't updated enough, and my dating life, we don't even have to go there.
There it goes.
But you see, everything you see on social media is meant to portray a life that is far more perfect than the one we're actually experiencing. But more perfect doesn't actually mean better. Your life is always gonna seem less exciting than the most exciting parts of someone else's life.
Driving back home now because I have an exam to write tonight. We are in the wrong city. No, I also think I should make some pumpkin bread when I get home because, you know, fall.
I feel like I have two options in this social media obsessed generation we're living in that's filled with judgment and editing apps and diets and ever-changing beauty trends.
The whole freaking house inside of a pumpkin bread.
Option 1. I can keep following the trends, change my body every other year to try to fit in, but always feel like I'm just not quite good enough. Or option 2. Try to be true to myself. Try to be kind to myself. And even if the second option is the harder, more uncomfortable option, it is the better option.
Oh my god. Peanut butter, the spice.
没想到这么好吃 ，combination 特别好。
Art. We just made the biggest mess. It hurts me because I tried so hard. It's so good. It's so good. How moist. Wow. Wow. Cream cheese. Driving to my exam! I look really rough right now, it's alright. I did get here a little bit early, so I'm going to review my notes. Not like that's going to help me at all, but it makes me feel like the information's going in, even though it's probably just... I am sitting in an empty class by myself. So I just got home and then I did this. I just wanted some strawberries. Linda, oh no. I'm sorry. I'll eat my mistakes. I'll eat all of these strawberries that I killed. I was thinking today, whoever invented avocado toast appealed to the entire population of the earth. I don't know a single person that doesn't like avocado toast.
So instead of putting all our energy into being perfect or whatever, put that energy into being nicer to yourself. Learn what actually makes you happy and do those things more. Put your energy into eating and moving and living in a way that makes you feel good. And notice along the way all the things that don't. Take the focus away from what your body's missing and focus on all the things your body gives you, and that you wouldn't be you without it. At some point, you're gonna have a moment where you just feel it. Your body's gonna be good enough simply because it's yours, and that's all you want it to be. And that's all it was ever meant to be.
It's kind of cute. We're like Matching.
You know what else was meant to be? Me and oatmeal. And I have been addicted to this warm apple cinnamon oats combination. It's so comforting. And the apples almost melt in your mouth and it makes my soul warm and happy. It almost goes too perfectly with peanut butter.
Never added Greek yogurt to my oats. This is the first time ever, so taste test. Crazy combo. Yogurt with oats. Interesting. Don't know if I'm a fan. I just got my nails done. Like 3 ingredients, sweet potato gnocchi. Let's go.
My social media has bombarded me with this 3-ingredient gnocchi for so long, so I decided to finally put it to the test. And I gotta say, it was almost concerningly easy to make, and the texture is kind of too satisfying, and they're kind of just like cute, puffy, edible orange clouds. I just added some butter and pesto and cheese, and guys, you need to try this.
Pretty good. It's really good. It's really good. Can't see. Soft, chewy pillow. Oh my god. Oh my god, so yummy. The outside is perfectly crispy, buttery, and cheesy. Okay, wait, this is actually so good. Oh my gosh, it's perfect. Once I dropped on the ground yesterday. Stop. It's better today. This might be the best thing I've ever made. What time is it? Okay, it's time to go. One more bite. One big bite.
Scroll, 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 double tap scroll. Wow, I'd be so much happier if I looked like them. Sigh. Well, the truth is, they don't always look like the social media version of themselves either. They have bad days too. Insecurities, things they don't like about themselves. The one with the perfect feed and always looks like she's living life, she might be dealing with mental health issues, family problems, struggling with loneliness, grief. The fitness pages you follow with girls who look good from every angle, that is their job. Most of them live, breathe, and sleep fitness.
Get a pineapple, get a bacon. Sweet, salty, garlicky, bacony.
That party she just posted about, that might be the first time she's gone out in months.
Okay, it's like very late. I'm back with my friend, Mr. Pumpkin Loaf.
The girl who has a small frame and eats more than anyone else, maybe she's always been insecure about her size, or just has a fast metabolism, or is facing her food fears. The girl whose body you always compare yours to? Okay, she may have a quote, socially acceptable body, but how did she get it? Did she diet, restrict? Does she spend hours at the gym? Or has she actually worked years to heal and improve her relationship with her body to be where she is now? I've always thought I had to change myself on the outside to be happy. A boy doesn't like me? Well, I should change my hair. I don't have any friends? Well, I should change my style. I don't feel pretty? Well, I should change my weight. Heck, I'll change my diet, my size, my personality, everything. And maybe then I'll finally love myself too. But I never did learn to love myself by changing. You can't just change the outside and expect a different inside.
Oh my god, this literally tastes like, it's almost like apple crisp, but the apple and cinnamon really infused into the oats. Oh my god.
Our bodies, our food, our status, our social life, our travels, our art, and even the sunsets we see. We are so focused on how these look, how good we can make these moments look to others, instead of how good these moments are making us feel. I'm so glad that I now post things like this and this and this. It just feels so good to show up as myself. My Instagram is not to show off. My workouts aren't to tone up. My dinner isn't to lose weight. I don't pick my clothes based off which one best hides my arms. My happiness doesn't come from a scale or a mirror or a pair of pants.
我念炒的特别好，你给 Milo 吃一点。
Okay, 10 out of 10.
Instead, my workouts are my form of self-care. My Instagram is filled with foods and people I love and make me feel loved. My dinner is about eating and cooking a delicious meal with my family. I buy clothes that make me feel confident, and I am worthy of good things, regardless of my body. If that's not growth, I don't know what is.
A little bit liquidy.
And let me tell you, life is way better when you actually live it, not just look like you're living it.
That's really good. The white chocolate, man, it's magical.
Smells so good! If you've seen enough of my videos, you definitely know I don't go for the sexy gym look. From time to time, I do get a little insecure when I see literally 97% of all other Instagram posts where these girls look absolutely stunning with their hair and matching clothes and high quality videography, and I'm over here with a slanted camera angle, flying spit, camel toes out, 6 chins strong, jiggling and grunting and being imperfectly myself. I mean, some people really just do look perfect at the gym, and good for them, but also good for me. This jiggly, loud, sticky, beautiful mess of beautiful body. This is my normal body. So let's normalize all normal bodies.
I wonder why I can't find anything. It's organized chaos. Oh, I found it.
The version you guys see of me, I like her. I also have to remember that me is sometimes created after waiting all day for the perfect lighting, finding the perfect picture spot, then taking 500 pictures, and then deleting 499 of them. So yeah, she is some version of me, but she isn't me. Oh my god, there's like frost on the roofs. Guys, it's Christmas. Merry Christmas. I exist with all the things we've been conditioned to make us feel less beautiful. Pimples, body hair, stomach rolls, body fat, cellulite, unflattering angles, uneven boobs, eye bags. You're allowed to exist with all of that. These things that we've been told that make us less beautiful are also what makes us perfectly human.
Oh my god. This is so good. The shredded apples, man. I don't know what it does to the oatmeal.
You're supposed to be a human, not a perfect body or picture. You don't owe anyone perfect, and no one is judging you as hard as you're judging yourself, which is kind of ironic when you think about it, because the only approval you need is from yourself. So when are you going to finally approve? Hi, Mom.
You're leaving me for dead. With every word you keep on saying, I throw my cards on the table. I mean, what did you expect? I said I was able, but it's no easier to be alone. I want you here, I need it. You to know, don't.
Wow. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. Cheers. Whoa.
Teriyaki sauce.
The sweet and salty. Whoa, the jalapenos. How juicy.
So yummy.
I love it. Oh shit. My mouth is burning, but it's okay. Are we just weak? I don't know if I can do it. Whoa, I'm sweating. The jalapenos got me. My lips hurt, my tongue hurts, my forehead's sweating, my throat is on fire. Torture. It's good at the same time. Where's my Zionza?
After reaffirming I have zero spice tolerance, I healed my tongue with ice cream.
I kinda want more.
Yeah, a lot of ice cream.
I wanna turn my phone off.
We're starting this beautiful weekend off with a lovely exam. Look, to myself, thank you.
I want to take a moment and remind you guys that just being yourself is enough. This sounds kind of bad, but I like how uncaring I am, because I used to care too much. I used to let people's opinions about my body, my life, my successes and failures affect every decision I made. It's not your job to make everyone like you. And I realized every single person who has met me sees me in a different way.
And one can of pumpkin is like 17 pumpkins. I have like so much pumpkin left. Pumpkin day it is.
I'm a bad friend in some and an inspiration in others. A success story and a dropout. A crazy jealous ex-girlfriend and also someone's best friend.
Are you a honeydew girl or a cantaloupe girl? I think I'm a honeydew girl.
And none of it has to do with the person I actually am today. Everyone sees me differently based on their own experiences and beliefs and how hangry or young or immature I was when they met me.
She's gonna fall. She's gonna, yep, there she goes.
So fluffy. And some people will forgive you for your mistakes, and others will use it against you. Some people will vibe with you, and others will think you're just really annoying. Some people are gonna think you're selfish, and others will respect the way you stand up for yourself. You're too lenient with your diet, or too strict, you work out too much, or don't care enough. Some people will see your thumbnails and automatically assume they know your story, and others will stay and listen. So I've stopped trying to control the way others see me. Instead, I just focus on living the way I want, the way I am.
Oh my god, the house smells so good. Wow. Whoa. Whoa. I love coffee cake. Pecans and the crumble, that's where the money is.
I don't know, life doesn't have to be picture perfect to be a good life. Moments don't have to match your feed to feel magical. Beauty doesn't have to be the shape of your body or color of your hair. Food doesn't have to be Instagram worthy to be freaking delicious. You don't need her body before you choose to love yours. Looking strong and feeling strong are two very different things. And personally, I'd rather feel it. I'd actually rather enjoy life with my favorite foods than spend my whole life avoiding them. I'd rather keep making mistakes and being imperfect than keep putting actually living on hold.
How massive these wontons are.
I'd rather actually take care of my body than get 200 comments from other people complimenting it. So take care of yourselves, guys. I love you, I love you, I love you so much. Please go make that pumpkin bread. Eat something that makes you happy. And remember, don't just scroll with caution, but scroll with a little bit of kindness. Thanks again to Purple Carrot for sponsoring today's video.